Hello, good afternoon. At 12 o'clock and 32 minutes in the Netherlands, you are joining in from LBallet, the Pointe Class, and it is our third Pointe Class from this season. I hope you enjoy, but be careful, it's your own responsibility. I cannot see you, so don't take risks. We have a full class. First you see Sanne, she's busy to get her pointe shoes on. It's utmost important to do this in the right way. We did it last week and the week before, so if you do not know how to do it, look back to the class from last Wednesday and the Wednesday before. I explain everything. Second is Sarah. Then we have Esme. Look at the people. Then we get Merel. Look, there's Merel. And then we have Ezra. And the last one has a little pain at her toes. She was with the doctor because she had some warts. It's done away, so she can't put out on pointe shoes. And as I said before, please put them off before you start to cry. It's not necessary to have much of pain. If you straighten your back and you are correct on point, it should not really hurt. A little hurt can be, but not much. So, enjoy the class. We are starting now. Across the diagonal, we are walking. So Isis has the men's walk. And we start walking on point. It's not walking really on point, on 3/4 point. Our hands are here on demi-bras, a little forward, and we walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and we are starting after 8 counts. Merel, do you take the first in the row? And then 1, 2, easy. It's just to get used to the soles of these other shoes. Please, Paul. Hands. And walking, 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 walking. Yes. Not on the points, on 3/4 points. Yes, good, Sarah. Yes, beautiful. Heels forward. Get your feet high on the 3/4. Good. Bigger steps. You are allowed to bend your knees while walking. Yes, that's good, Sanne. Beautiful. Again. No stiff knees, they're bending. It should look normal. Breathing, Sarah. Be pretty, Anne. 1, 2, 1. Yes, shift forwards, Isis. Good, and go. And long fingers. Yes. Not with stiff knees, eh? Both knees are bending. Don't worry, Sarah, you do well. And 1, 2. Open your shoulders. Thank you very much. Walking is the most difficult thing in our whole class. Looking normal. Don't walk with stiff knees. You have to move these knees. It's no problem. So we are going to the bar. Be careful. We have to be, when we work in parallel, and parallel means not turned out, we have to be further away from the bar, as normal, because we are going a whole foot length forward. So we are a little further away. Come to me a little bit, I can be here. And we put the left foot on point through the 3/4 and 1 and 2. Go on your point. Your focus is going with you. And 7, down, 8. And 1, 2, up, 3, 4. Growing, stretching, go down and down. Sarah, please show going down is through the 3/4. Look, through the 3/4 and down. And then our natural thing is that our back wants to do this. So hold this back, really stretched up, sloping slightly over the bar, and now do it again and hold this back and go. Beautiful. That's right. You feel it, eh? So be careful with your back. We got it, eh? Left foot, right foot, left foot, right, and staying, not going down the 4th time. Not too near to the bar. We have to stay behind the elbows. Please, Paul. And 1 and 2. And left 3/4 and point and up. 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and straight on the points. And 3/4 down and 1, 2, going up. And 1, 2, up. Don't pinch your toes. Hold. Arms first. Stretch your back, Merel. All this beautiful lace at your back. Going up. Ezra, not your deltoideus, but your biceps at the... Yes. And down. Thank you. Good, Sarah. Okay, take care, people at home. Look, Ezra, will you go up? Do you have a camera for Ezra?
Yes, both sides.
Okay, look. And now, Sarah, come be neighbor for Ezra. Look, go up, 1 and up, stay. Now you see, they have their legs a little out of each other. But they are already more experienced dancers. So close the legs, really, ankles together. That's for Sarah. Look, now the gap is away. That's right, and going down, down. Sarah, can you move a little away from the bar? No, backwards. Yes, now we do it again. Look, now her back is staying correctly and going up. 1, going up. The back is sloping slightly forward over the bar, and the legs are together. So you see the legs of Sarah. Now she is holding her inside muscles more. You see the legs of Ezra are straight now, and Sarah is getting straight. Good girl, 2 more. Yes, that's it. Thank you. And going down. You remember from normal class, eh? It's the same. Now it's right. Okay, so you are allowed to hold your ankles together. Then you have a little support. It's not really necessary, because what you are doing is more difficult. So you have to have more awareness about the straight line of your legs when you open them a little bit. You did it well, Ezra. It's only more comfortable to hold them together. Okay. We are taking next one. It's going down.